This is Project Edelweiss, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Edelweiss is painted in full gloss Chorlton white with black accents all around. Edelweiss sits on 16-inch Land Rover Tornado silver wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic front bumper, illuminated black metal exterior door handles, a NAS rear bumper, and 2 round LED work lights at the rear. Inside, Edelweiss features a Momo Indy steering wheel with All-American Tradition gauges, 2 Puma Classic front seats, a 60-40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is finished in Caressa parchment leather with Relicate Clark plaid inserts. This 110 is powered by our GM 6.2 litre V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Edelweiss also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout. This 110 was sent to us by its owner to give a new lease of life. It's been kept very clean and similar to the original in terms of the exterior finish. Open the doors, however, and you see the superb personalisation. A tasteful combination of high quality leather and plaid inserts create a very stylish fit and finish. A high quality subtle rebuild with a superb drivetrain will make this one for our owner to enjoy for years to come.